Hey, this is Justin with Just in Time. Okay, we're on a 2-door prep table right now. It's a warranty call. And what we've done, I've already diagnosed the start components bad on the compressor, and the overload was burnt. See, there should be a wire coming off of there, and that's all burnt. So what I did is I installed a 3-in-1 hard start. Wire that up. I'm not gonna tighten up the wires and stuff. That's what we do to get you out of a pinch. Put that hard start on there, see if that compressor will start. And you can either do two things. You can either leave that on there and let it run, or you can get the OEM start components and all that. So in this case, we had to get them up and going and get them out of a pinch. So we're going to leave it like that and then call the factory and see what they want to do. So everything seems to be checking out, and good temperatures, cooling coming back on that suction line. We don't have no access valves, so you got good cooling coming back, and the box is coming down. You don't really need to make access for it. And if it doesn't come down to town, then you're going to need to install access valves right here on the high side and low side.